Sounds of the Kazoo 2, Discussions in Symphony. The 20th anniversary of Sounds of the Kazoo continues with this untimely masterpiece. The torture you remember, the loud, screeching sounds of Maris, the sounds of Baba, and the sounds of Cabin all come crashing down on your ears once again. Sit back, try to relax, and enjoy the torturous Sounds of the Kazoo 2, Discussions in Symphony, 20th anniversary re-release.
She's hiding in some little town. There's a man she has.
Welcome to Sounds of the Kazoo 2, Discussions in Symphony.
You just heard Entertainer on the keyboard by me, Kevin Vondovich. Here is Maris.
Today we are going to discuss various forms of music and the meaning in the phrases that we hear.
Most of these excerpts will be from Les Miserables in concert with the international cast recording by the London Symphony Orchestra. We will begin momentarily.
Who keeps herself so pure and clean?
That was a line.
Well, now we will begin. Obviously, Fantine was a user of soap. What do you think?
Well, Maris, I think that as a user of soap, and she wants to keep herself very hygienic, and I think with all due respect, she really, really, really likes to keep clean.
Well, that's a very good thing, considering that she lived in the dump. So, I wonder how she got that zest or whatever she used. Maybe it was Dove. What do you think?
Well, everyone has their peeve, and I guess if she doesn't like dirt, she'll use it.
But you know what? I really think it was Dove, because in the phrase it said, she'll keep herself so pure and clean. And Dove, when you think of doves, you think of purity. So I believe that she uses Dove soap. How about you?
Well, that's all the time we have for this excerpt by...
And the world was a song, and the song was exciting. There was a time when it all went wrong.
Oh, yes, I agree. The song was very exciting, very inviting, and very wrong.
I guess you'd have to say it's wrong because there should never have been that sadness that the baby portrayed. And sadness in a song like that, when it comes out, it just makes me want to cry.
Yet at the end, you could feel the hope rising. You could feel the warmth, the love, everything beginning to just come out and begin a wonderful new world.
I didn't see it that way. I don't understand. What did the baby think? Okay. Well,
I'd say so too.
Yes, okay. I think we both agree on that.
Yeah, goodbye.
There was no ransom to be paid.
Yes, Maris, I agree. There was no ransom to be paid for a baby like that. What do you think?
Oh, I definitely agree. I mean, well, okay, maybe Mel Gibson would pay a ransom, but then again, he wouldn't pay a ransom, would he? Because he would go and hijack a plane or something.
Let's hear the next lyrics.
You know what? I think there's something stinky. I think the diapers need changing.
Yeah, okay. That was Pachelbel's Canon, a favorite of two English teachers I know very well. One, a Norma Dodd, one, an Alice Stapp.
Both quite crazy.
Maris?
Yes, well, this song often involves seagulls and some accompaniments. They go...
Seagulls. That's caw. And that's our analysis.
Leaves behind the suffering child. There is none but me who can intercede. In mercy's name, 3 days of all I need.
And Maris, doesn't everyone need 3 days? I mean, in our lifestyle today, 3 days can encompass years of travel, thought, and amazement.
Yes, well, in 3 days, but what can you do in 3 days? You can,
Travel to Tokyo,
you could travel to Tokyo. You could,
swim the English Channel.
okay. You could go to Disneyland and get one of the specials. Yeah.
You could get a 3-day lift ticket.
Okay. You could clean your toilets.
You could vacuum. You could go for a really nice walk. Backpacking trip.
Go shopping.
Have a jolly holiday.
You could paint.
You could meet some stars down in Hollywood.
You could pluck a duck.
You could cook a goose. And most important of all, you can listen to this tape.
I am from the gutter too.
I am from the gutter too.
Well, you know, gutters are a thing these days. I mean, you find people all over the country that are from gutters.
Why would Javert admit to being from a gutter? I just don't understand.
Well,
Maybe
some
you can
people
print-
like sympathy upon them, but
Yeah.
they don't want to say directly.
So do you think that maybe he was fishing for compliments? Would you say that?
I definitely say that, but I would use a more undirect approach. I'd probably say, do you think my clothes are a bit tacky or something to that extent?
Yeah. I mean, me too. I would say, you know, am I fat or something?
I wouldn't say I'm from the gutter. That sounds
Yeah, it's just
too
disgusting. It makes
now.
you think of filth and dirt and scum. You know, he needs to talk to Fantine a little bit about her purity and cleanliness. Maybe he can get some soap from her, some of that nice Dove soap. That would be good
I
if
think-
he's from the gutter, don't you
I think the baby has something to say.
I am new.
I guess so. Well, for our next segment, we have a special guest star, Patrick Stewart himself.
Yeah.
And after that, we'll have Paul Harvey on too. Just a minute. Hello, I'm Patrick Stewart. I play Captain Jean-Luc Picard on the movie First Contact. What's
about-
some of your questions?
Oh yes, I just want to ask you one thing. Can you please introduce yourself as Captain Jean-Luc Picard of the Federation Starship Enterprise? Thank you.
Actually, I can't do that legality outside the studio. Paramount,
Just do it.
They own me, basically. So,
Please,
I can't-
just
I hope they're not listening.
please.
I'm Captain Jean-Luc Picard of the Federation Starship Enterprise.
Thank you. And also, I've heard that you can actually talk like Captain Janeway. Could you please introduce yourself as Captain Janeway?
I'm Captain Catherine Janeway of the Federation Starship Voyager.
Yes, and say you want to make peace.
I don't want to make peace.
Okay. Yes. Okay. The baby has a question.
You are my hero.
I'm many people's hero, including some retarded guy from South Dakota. He emailed me and said that he is happy to see my boldness expanding. Thank you.
Oh.
You fall as Lucifer fell. You fall in flame.
I'm okay.
Would you like some water?
No, I actually... What do you think about falling in flame? Do you think it's painful? You get burns,
I
you
think
get
that would
facial
be-
scars or something?
Incredibly painful. Javert was kind of a weird guy. First of all, he admitted that he was from the gutter. Then he said that he would fall in flame.
Could he be speaking metaphorically, perhaps?
Oh no, I think he really would, because remember he fell into a river on purpose, so I think he would fall in flame on purpose. Do we have a message from our producer now?
Yes, we have Mystic available if you come down to the studio. If you're the 118,643rd caller, I think you get a Mystic trial size thing. But we might be out, so I wouldn't want to do anything to that extent. Okay, thanks.
Here's some more commercials. Just a minute.
Yes, if you come down to the ice cream store, you get a free soda or ice cream if you buy one of these containers. And so buy them now. Thanks. Subliminal messages. Subliminal messages. Are you guys subliminal messages?
Paul from the Diamond Center.
This message is brought to you by Paul Harvey. Good day. Maris?
Yes. What exactly do you think Paul Harvey was selling?
It could be Sealy Posturepedic, his Select Comfort, his Bose Wave radio, his Chevy truck, his...
Why didn't he stay?
Paul Harvey is very exclusive, man. He leads people on. Okay. Well, baby,
I'm hungry.
aren't we?